Sweat equity opportunity knocking for home design enthusiasts. Move into this well-cared-for 3-bed 1.5 bath ranch and feel right at home while you plan to infuse the spaces with your style. Located in a family-friendly suburban neighborhood close to parks, schools, shopping and more. The home has a maintenance-free brick exterior, vinyl replacement windows throughout and heated attached garage. Master bedroom has ensuite access and bonus living space in the basement is ready to be whatever you envision it being. The enclosed sunroom which overlooks the backyard is the ideal spot to relax while the sun sets or have your morning coffee. All kitchen and laundry appliances are included.